Hello kids, I am back with the continuation of the poem My Goldfish. Goldfish is a freshwater fish. They can't live in salty water. They need enough tanks or ponds to live in and be healthy. They are omnivorous, means they eat both plants and animals. They have a good memory, means they can recognize the different human beings. So let's begin the poem. Repeat after me. I am going to read first. My goldfish. All day long he swims around his little home of glass. He never smiles, he never frowns. I watch him pass and pass. Round the globe and round again, makes me dizzy watching. Open mouth, then shut again, wonder what he is catching. Shining like a piece of gold, glistening like a star. Never winking, never blinking, round and round the jar. Round the globe and round again, round eyes never blinking, looking very, very wise. Wonder what he is thinking. Learn some difficult words here. Around, frowns, globe, dizzy, shining, peace. Glistening, winking, blinking, thinking, beach, smiles. Facial expression, aquarium, anger, wonder, catching. Learn all spellings of these difficult words and let's see the new words and their meanings. Frowns, facial expression of anger. Frowns means facial expression of anger. Pass and pass means go round and round. Pass and pass means go round and round. Dizzy, feel as through everything around is going round and round. Everything around us is going round and round. Glistening, glistening means shining. Glistening, shining. And last word is home of glass. Home of glass is an aquarium. It means aquarium. Do you know what is aquarium? Yes, we keep fishes in it. All day long he swims around his little home of glass. See, the poet is talking about his pet, the goldfish. It is in the home of glass. See, here is the home of glass where we can see the goldfish. Yes, and whole day it swims around in his home of glass, means in the aquarium. He never smiles, he never frowns. I watch him pass and pass. The poet watches his pet whole day when it goes round and round, and it never smiles. Goldfish never smiles, even it doesn't show any anger, means he doesn't show any kind of expressions. But the poet loves to watch the goldfish when it goes round and round in the jar. Let's turn to next page. Round the globe and round again, makes me dizzy watching. See, the globe is in a round shape and his home of glass is also in round shape. So, it's going on round and round. The poet feels like chakra. as a wheel which goes round and round. Open mouth and shut again. Wonder what he is catching. The goldfish is opening the mouth and shutting again. Opening and closing. The poet says he is catching something in his mouth. He don't know what he is catching. Shining like a piece of gold, glistening like a star. Kids, you know how the gold shines? Yes, it shines brightly. And the stars at the night, they twinkle very brightly. The goldfish has golden orange color, so the goldfish is shining like a piece of gold and the stars. Never winking, never blinking, round and round the jar. See friends, blinking means opening the eyes and closing, opening and closing the eyes. And winking means opening only one eye and closing. When the goldfish swims in the jar, it never blinks his eyes. He keeps his eyes always open. Let's move to next stanza. Round the globe and round again, round eyes never blinking, looking very, very wise. Wonder what he is thinking. The goldfish has round eyes. His round eyes never blinking. He keeps his eyes always open and moving in the jar round and round. The poet is watching the goldfish from outside, and the goldfish is looking like wise and brilliant person, and the poet is wondering that what he is thinking. Now say poem with me. My goldfish. All day long he swims around his little home of glass. He never smiles, he never frowns, I watch him pass and pass. Round the globe and round again, makes me dizzy watching. Open mouth and shut again, wonder what he's catching. Shining like a piece of gold, glistening like a star. Never winking, never blinking, round and round the jar. Round the globe and round again, round eyes never blinking, looking very, very wise, wonder what he is thinking. Thank you.